Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Bria. If this is your first time here. Today I'm going to be reviewing my first influencer VoxBox. I signed up for Influencer this summer and I finally got my first VoxBox. I was so excited. It is the Sleek Makeup Box. It came with a highlighting palette, an eyeshadow palette, and a liquid liner. So first, before I get into the products, how I got my first, or how I believe I got my first VoxBox, I started out going hardcore on the app. I was doing reviews, just nonstop on a variety of products, hair, makeup, things like that. There are these surveys, or snaps they call them. I think they're snap surveys. And I answered as many as I could, and for a while, that was about the first few months or so, and after a while, I just chilled and focused on my YouTube channel and my Instagram, trying to get those likes and things up. And then I did return to Influencer for a little bit. I participated in some of the campaigns, like the World's AIDS Day one and something else they had. And next thing I know, I got a survey. So I don't know if that helps. Just don't give up completely, at least. Stay with it some type of way where there's constantly reviewing things or participating in like campaigns they have or events they have through the app. But I don't know, good luck. I hope I do get another one sometime soon. So enough of that. Right on to the products themselves. Okay, so this VoxBox is from Sleek Makeup. This is my first time just really hearing about this brand and seeing what they offer, and first impressions, I like it. I'm actually wearing it right now. I have on the highlight and the eyeshadow and the liquid eyeliner. This is the eyeshadow palette. It comes with 12 eyeshadows, great colors for fall and winter. You can do a smoky eye, of any type really. And then you have the highlighting palette. It comes with 4 highlighters, 2 creams, which are here and here, and then 2 powders. The one I have on right now, I think is this one right here. This one is called Cleopatra's Kiss, and like I said, I like it. It's very pigmented. The eyeshadows and the highlighter are both pigmented, and I love them. Today I did a kind of plum smoky look. Now, moving on to the eyeliner. It is called the Fierce Felt Liner. Before I move on to the liner, I forgot to tell you the name of the eyeshadow palette. So the name of the eyeshadow palette is the Vintage Romance palette. Back to the liner. Like I said, the liquid eyeliner, it is called the Fierce Felt Liner. This is what it looks like. It applied smoothly. Actually, all the products applied smoothly. But the liner is very gentle, very precise. I just started wearing liquid eyeliner this year actually, and I've been working on and getting my skills back to where they used to be. Some of you might remember in a previous video I said that my liquid liner skills got just horrible because I stopped wearing it. So now I try to line a little bit better. I'm working on getting the wing down. The packaging for all the products was very neat, very chic. The highlight palette, I really, really love that packaging. It was gold, which kind of fits with the whole Cleopatra's Kiss. So I like that. Like I said, the eyeshadow applied smoothly, blended well. The highlighter that I use is very pigmented. I don't know if you guys can see or tell. But I really, really like it. I was so happy and grateful that I received the VoxBox. Of course, it was free and complimentary for me to test and review. And if I were to, I think I did find these products at Ulta, if I'm not mistaken. I think it might be online only, but you can shop either the Sleek Makeup website or the Ulta website. They have them as well. The price levels are reasonable. I believe the palette is $13. The liner might be $6 or $7, somewhere in there. And I think the the highlight palette is like 12 to 15, can't remember, something like that. All of that is very affordable. especially for what you get. But I am grateful. Thank you, Influencer, for this VoxBox. I hope to receive some in the future, some more in the future, should I say. So overall, I do like the products. I will definitely use them again. Like I said, great price point if you want to purchase them. You can get them from the Sleek website or the Ulta website. I will put the links in the description box. Let me know what you think. Let me know what looks you would like, any other looks you would like for me to create. Remember to subscribe to my channel and follow me on social media. And remember, be confident, smile, and slay.